Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. How to make garlic powder at home. Ingredients: garlic as much as you want. Try to use the garlic which begins to go soft from inside.
Separate the garlic cloves and peel them. Slice each clove into uniform, thin slices. Scatter on the baking sheet, making sure the slices don't overlap.
Put the baking sheet in the oven to dry the garlic. Stir and shake the pan every 20 to 30 minutes and continue cooking until it crumbles easily in your hand. Approximately 90 minutes, but be sure to watch it closely. Burnt garlic tastes nasty. Let the cloves cool completely, then place them in your blender or food processor and whir until completely powdered. Grind the garlic for a shorter amount of time if you want the powder to be chunkier. Grind the garlic for a longer amount of time if you want the powder to be finer. Allow the garlic to sit in the grinder for about 10 minutes. This will allow the garlic bits and their fumes to settle, so you don't breathe in the harsh garlic odors. Then transfer to an airtight container. Garlic powder is ready. Homemade garlic powder allows you to control the quality of the ingredients. How to store it. Store your finished garlic powder in an airtight container like a glass jar or empty spice container and place it in a cool, dry spot. Make sure it is dry and clean. Be sure to shake the jar daily for the first week or so after you've made it. This will ensure that any remaining moisture is evenly distributed through the powder and will prevent mold. As long as it's dried properly, garlic powder can have a shelf life of a few years, especially if you freeze or vacuum pack any excess. Finished. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.